Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Also, for the month of August, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels, and I will link them. Now, happy Saturday. I actually received some birthday cash via Cash App. Two young ladies sent me some money. One of them requested to remain anonymous, and the other one I can't quite figure out who it is. Based on the name that I'm seeing, I looked through my comments and things like that, and I didn't see anything. So both of these ladies are anonymous today, and I want to thank you so much. So for those of you who don't know, my birthday is on Monday, and I'll be 44 years old. Woohoo! One lady sent me 40, and the other one sent me 18. And so we should have $58, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. And we do have $58. What I need to do is figure out where I'm going to put this cash into my Christmas binder. So I haven't been able to stuff my binder in a while because I've been focused on other savings goals, and I'm also working on 2 long-term savings for Christmas. So being able to put something towards this is amazing. I thought about spending it, and I actually was thinking to get a pedicure, but I think this is more important at this point. So I went ahead and did a DIY pedicure, and I mean, obviously it's nothing like going to the salon to have that kind of treatment, but I will live with it. I think it was a great choice. We are going to work on stuffing my Christmas binder. I don't have a plan. What I do know is that some of these envelopes have already reached their goals, and I did put the fully funded slips in finally. First up, my kiddo Victor. I think we should go ahead and we'll add $10. So let's take 10 out and add a 20. And let's see how much we have. 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67. So 167. And I stuffed the same amount for my kiddos. I just figured they're 11 months and 2 weeks apart. They're pretty close in age. That means we can focus on making sure they, hold on. What the heck was that? Sorry for that interruption. My kitty brought in a big beetle, and he is trying to get it. Okay, anyway, let's get back to business. I don't even remember what I was saying. I think we were talking about the fact that they get the same amount. I think that's where we were. So we're going to put $10 into Vincent's envelope as well. So we'll take these 5s and add this 20, and he should have the same amount. 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67. Sorry, he's distracting me. I can't close the door because if he gets him, he'll go under my bed and have a snack. Oh God, he's so big. Okay, ew, gosh. Okay, and it doesn't get any easier seeing him be a hunter. All right, so mommy is fully funded, and my goal was $100, so I have 50, 70, 90, 100, and I did decide, if necessary, I would put this money towards my PTO for Christmas. We'll talk more about that in a moment. Miscellaneous was just like if we wanted to donate anything, or if we wanted to buy gifts for somebody else, if we wanted to go see the lights, anything that would need money. Should be $50. We have 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 50 bucks. Sorry, he's funny. Boy. Okay, special gift is a gift that I'm giving to my children from my mother, and should be $100. It's showing fully funded. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Perfect. All right, and then next up we have PTO, and the first week is fully funded. We have 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 20, 40, 45, 50. So we have 350. And I think I may need to make adjustments on my weekly amount that's needed, but at this point I'm just going to leave it, and I'm just going to keep going with 350. Whatever I can save in terms of each week of PTO, then that will determine how many weeks I can actually take off. So I'm going to try to make sure my savings over here for Christmas is at least continuously being worked on, even if it's not completed, so we can put it towards our PTO. And we have a little bit of cash left. How about we add a few more dollars to my kiddos? Let's do that. Yeah, because then that means we're gonna add another $10 to my kiddos. Okay, that's awesome, because we can work towards getting theirs fully funded, and then we can really focus on PTO. All right, so Victor, we're gonna add 5 and 10. And now he has 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77. Okay. And then Vincent, we're going to add another $10 as well. Okay, I like this. I like this plan. 5 and 10. And 100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77. Perfect. So that means the rest of this we can go ahead and add to our week 2 of PTO. Like I said, I have other savings challenges going specifically for PTO to get what it needs. But let's see here. Week number 2. Where are you? There you are. We're going to add 10, 15, 16, 17, $18. Perfect. In total, we have 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, $73. I do need to figure out how I'm going to track this. I kind of want to know where I am, how much I actually have saved in my Christmas binder. I was trying to find a budget sheet that wasn't in a brand new pack of budget sheets. And I do have some somewhere, so I may need to focus on that. But that's it for now, guys. We went ahead and stuffed our Christmas binder. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.